Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to log in to Zoho Books quickly and easily. First, open your web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you prefer. Then go to the official Zoho Books website. If you're not sure of the URL, just search Zoho Books on Google and click the top result. Next, click the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login screen. Now you have two options. Option 1, enter your email and password linked to your Zoho Books account, then click Sign In. Option 2, click Sign In with Google. Select your Google account, allow access, and you'll be logged in instantly. If you use two-factor authentication, have your phone or authentication app ready since Zoho may ask you to verify your identity for extra security. Once signed in, you'll land on your Zoho Books dashboard where you can view invoices, expenses, reports, and all your financial tools. And that's it. You've successfully logged into Zoho Books. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.